Welcome to my channel. So today's topic is digraph, subject English. Now objectives. Students will be able to identify common digraph. Second, students will be able to use common digraphs sh, ch, th, th, wh, ver in words and sentences. Students will develop strong reading skills. Now, teaching aids. Digraph flashcards. So you can use the flashcards of SH, CH, TH, WH. Picture cards with images representing digraph words. Example, ship, chair, thumb, whale. You can use chart papers and also digraph song, worksheet, interactive digraph games or apps. Now, introduction. So, for greeting and warm up, you can do physical exercises. And secondly, for the previous knowledge, start with a brief review of letter sounds. Write a few letters on the board and ask student to produce their sounds. After this, announcement of the topic will be done. So today we are going to learn about special letter pairs that make unique sounds. These are called digraphs. Now explanation. Show flashcards for SH, CH, TH and WH. Explain that a digraph is when two letters come together to make one sound. Then demonstrate the sound each digraphs make using words and gestures. Example, for SH, you might pretend to sh. Like this, all the flashcards you have to show to the students and will tell that how we will sound, how we will make all these sounds. Now activities. Show picture cards and ask students to match them with the correct digraph flashcards. Example, picture of a ship with SH. Then pronounce each word together and emphasize the digraph sound. Next, write words with digraph on the board. Example, ship, chair, thumb, whale. Have students come up to the board and sort the words under the correct digraph heading. Now, this is the worksheet. You can give this worksheet to the students in which students will match digraph to the picture. So, this is the whale. So, students will match WH whale. 3 TH 3. Cheese SCH cheese. Shirt SH shirt. So this is the worksheet in which students will match the correct digraph to their pictures. Now, worksheet of filling in missing digraphs in words and circling the digraph in sentences can be given to the student. Sing or chant a song about digraph to reinforce learning and make it memorable. Now last is recapitulation. So recap the digraph learned today by asking students to name words or pictures that use each digraph. Encourage students to share any digraph words they know or use at home. For advanced students, you can provide sentences with missing digraphs and have them fill in the blanks. So, this is all about Thank you.